Maya, okay, imagine you're a giant, right? And you're looking for a place to leave your mark on the world. You don't use a pen, you don't use a brush, you basically carve a massive 110-meter-long horse into the side of a mountain using nothing but crushed white chalk.
Wait, 110 meters? That's like, what, an entire football field and then some?
Exactly. It's huge. It's called the Uffington White Horse. And here's the kicker, the most shocking part. It's been there for over 3,000 years. 3,000.
Wait, really? 3,000 years? I mean, I've seen those hill figures before, but I always assumed they were, Victorian projects or something.
Right? Most people do. But no, this is the OG. It dates back to somewhere between 1380 and 550 BC. We're talking Bronze Age or early Iron Age. To put that in perspective, while the ancient Greeks were just starting to figure out their whole vibe, someone in Oxfordshire was digging these deep trenches and filling them with white chalk to make a giant minimalist animal.
It's amazing that it hasn't just washed away. I mean, England isn't exactly known for its dry, stable weather.
That is the most fascinating part. It's like a living organism. If people stopped taking care of it, the grass would just swallow it whole in a few decades. It stays white because for 3 millennia, people have been scouring it.
Scouring? Like scrubbing a pot?
Basically, it's this tradition called the scouring of the white horse. Historically, every 7 years, people from all the local villages would gather on the hill. It wasn't just a chore, it was a massive festival. They'd have games, wrestling, probably a lot of ale, and they'd spend the day weeding the trenches and smashing fresh chalk into a white paste to make the lines pop again.
That's actually really beautiful. It's like the community has been collectively keeping a secret alive for 100 generations.
It's a total humanity moment, right? And it gets even crazier. During World War II, they actually had to hide it.
Hide a 110-meter horse? How?
With turf and hedge trimmings. Because it's so bright and recognizable from the air, the British government was terrified that Luftwaffe pilots would use it as a landmark to navigate their bombing raids. So for a few years, the horse just disappeared. It went undercover.
An undercover prehistoric horse. I love that. But Leo, looking at it, and I'm looking at a picture now, it doesn't exactly look like a horse. It's very abstract.
Oh, it's super minimalist. It's like the Picasso of the Bronze Age. Some people think it's a horse, some think it's a dog, or even a saber-toothed cat. But the coolest theory? Archaeologists think it might be a solar horse.
A solar horse?
Yeah. So there's this old mythological idea that the sun is pulled across the sky by a horse or a chariot, right? Well, there's an archaeologist, Joshua Pollard, who pointed out that in midwinter, the sun actually appears to overtake the horse as it moves across the sky. It's like the figure is participating in a cosmic race.
Wow. That gives it so much more weight than just a tribal boundary marker or something. It's like a massive piece of religious machinery.
Exactly. It's a 3,000-year-old interaction with the stars.
You know, before you dive into the Dragon Hill part, because I see that on the map right next to it, I just want to take a second to say, if you're enjoying this journey through time with us, you should definitely join the loop. It's a great way to get your daily curiosity fix, and we'd love to have you back here with us tomorrow.
Definitely join the loop. It's a cozy place. But okay, Maya, Dragon Hill. It's right there, a flat-topped hill where legend says St. George actually killed the dragon. They say the grass doesn't grow on one spot because that's where the dragon's blood spilled.
Okay, so we've got prehistoric solar horses and dragon blood. Oxfordshire is a lot more metal than I thought.
It's basically a fantasy novel carved into the earth. And even though it's been through so much, vandalism, pranksters putting a giant Big Brother logo next to it in the early 2000s, even shrinking over time, the National Trust is still out there today. They're actually working right now to fatten up the horse because the lines have been narrowing over the last 40 years.
It's like a giant ancient pet that needs a bit of grooming.
It really is. It's this fragile, massive thing that only exists because we choose to keep it. It's like a handshake between us and the people of the Bronze Age.
That's such a nice way to think about it. It's not just a monument, it's a commitment.
Exactly. Anyway, that's the Uffington Horse. Fast, sleek, and older than your wildest dreams.
I think I need to go see it now. But for now, I guess we'll leave it there.
Stay curious, everyone.
See you again soon.